Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna add some virtual RAM to our computer, especially if you have a slower computer but you have some memory to spare on your hard drive or SSD drive or M.2 drive. Well, this is how you add it. Go to this PC, Properties, Advanced System Settings, under Advanced, click Settings, go to Advanced again, click Change, and the custom size, and we put it on my M.2, and as you see here, space available, custom size, you want to put the initial size. I'm gonna put 2000 on mine, 2 gigs, and I'm gonna put the maximum 8000 or 8. I'm gonna put the maximum 12,000, and I'm gonna hit set. I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna click OK again. I'm gonna click apply. OK again. Okay, again, close these. I'm gonna restart, then come right back. Now the computer has just restarted. Let's go to our file explorer again. Under this PC, right click, go to properties. Properties, go to advanced system settings. When you open that up, go to advanced again, go to settings. Under settings, go to advanced again, go to change, just to make sure and verify. And when I click at my M.2 that we put the memory in, initial size 2 gigs, maximum size 12 gigs, and we are good here to go. Let's go to our computer info to make sure that this is added. And as you see right here, installed physical memory, we have 32, and available virtual memory 33, total virtual memory 38. So page file space 6.7 gigabytes. And yes, that confirms that we have successfully added the virtual RAM. One drawback for this virtual RAM is the speed. It will not be as fast as physical RAM, so if you are thinking that you are gonna get away with installing virtual RAM instead of upgrading physical RAM, you are wrong, because it will not function the same and it will not have the same speed because it's not designed to do exactly that. So, with that said, I hope you enjoy it, and if you have a very old computer that you really must have something and you cannot afford, or you are unable to buy physical RAM, well, just go ahead and give it a try. You can always reverse it back and just click automatic at the settings that we just saw. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Hit that subscribe button and bye!